Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today I'll tell you more about Haier 2070SS Double Door Refrigerator. This is a frost-free convertible refrigerator that packs in plenty of advanced features. So without making you wait any longer, let's learn more about this refrigerator. To begin with, this refrigerator comes with a new royal mirror glass finish that will pulsate the aesthetic quotient of your house. It looks like a perfectly built modern piece of art with practicality at its best. It will never catch rust as it has a strong glass build, so it's extremely durable. It's also very easy to clean and stays shiny with minimum effort. Let's check it out from the inside. This refrigerator comes with the auto defrost freezer that will keep your refrigerator clean and hassle-free. The movable ice tray creates more space in the freezer so that you can store more. This refrigerator also comes with a veggie box that's big enough to hold more vegetables and fruits without any kind of compromise. This fridge is not just flexible with space, but also with its functionality. It comes with a swift convertible mode. It lets you convert the freezer to fridge with normal mode for daily needs. You can easily convert in less than 50 minutes for your fresh foods and groceries. You can also convert the fridge to a deep freezer for occasions like your weekend parties. And the best of all, it also comes with an off mode for saving energy and reducing electricity costs. This fridge also has a twin energy saving mode. By using optimized cooling, it can save up to 30% electricity for you. Now with Haier HEF 270SS refrigerator, you also get the facility to make ice cubes really fast. It comes with a turbo icing mode that will give you ice cubes in less than 49 minutes. So friends, Haier HEF 270SS Double Door Frost-Free Refrigerator gets a double thumbs up from me. It's extremely user-friendly and very powerful. Its advanced and super easy to use features will make it your everyday companion in no time. And buying it on Flipkart becomes an irresistible deal because on Flipkart you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.